the iRig Mic Lav lavalier microphone for mobile devices. I picked this up at Amazon.ca for about 50 bucks Canadian, or about 38 US, 30 pounds sterling or 33 euros. So I really just needed something basic for now to improve the quality of audio over just the iPhone 10 mic that I'm using right now. So let's crack this baby open and see what it can do. Alright, so I've opened it up and we got a box here, carrying case for it, and then we have the mic and the wire and the expandable port, and then the sponge for the microphone for wind, and the clip to clip it onto your shirt, and then some registration information and information to download some apps with this. Now I got an iPhone 10, so I'm gonna have to use my dongle and hook that up and see how that goes. All right, I've just plugged it in. I've got the microphone maybe mid-torso below my chin, and I've got this the Mic Lav hooked into the dongle, which is hooked into the lightning port of the iPhone 10. And so there you go. There's the iRig Mic Lav. Hope that gives you the information that you're looking for. Enjoy.